Welcome back everyone, hope you enjoy this new video. Millennial Investor UK here. Today I'm going to show you this app called Plum, which I currently use to help me to invest without having to worry or think about it too much. As you can see here, it's a artificial intelligence type app which basically analyses all your bank transactions after you've linked up your bank. So myself, that would be a HSBC bank account that I've used with this app. It goes through your transactions and it works out through its algorithms how much you can afford to set aside to either save or invest, or you can do both. Me personally, I just invest. I always think you're best to go for it rather than just save. So we'll go through the website here. As you can see, it's got 4.7 stars from 500 plus Facebook reviews, 650,000 plus customers. Other thing worth mentioning is this is, I believe, actually a UK based firm. So we have a scroll down, you just link up your bank, automatically sets the money aside for you, which I find is great. If I wasn't using this app, I would tend to be having to sit and going through my own bank account and putting money into open-ended investment trusts and funds, but with this it's really simple. And I've got it connected to a small bank account that I sometimes use, so it's just little bits of money that go into it. Now, if we scroll down, something that I quite like to see at the bottom here is, and always check this when you're using one of these because they're financial apps, it's authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Now the only thing I would say is I've not actually noticed if it is covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. So if they were to go bust, would you get your money back? Which is one thing I would maybe need to double check. But like I say, I've not got a lot of money in this. I just put a wee bit, let a wee bit go in from a wee account that I have. So in terms of costs, if you're just saving, it's pretty much it's free. However, like myself, if you're using Plum Plus, because I don't like to save so much, I prefer to invest my money. I do have savings for every day, but I prefer to invest the rest. You're looking at it's a £1 fee per month, and I believe it's a 0.15% annual fee, which they charge monthly, and also there's fund specific fees that you might have to pay monthly. But so that's the website there. If we go back, so you can see here it tells you your bills. However, I don't use any of that. I use this app purely just for investing. I'll show you inside the app. So this is the app here. So this is the inside of the app. As you can see, I only use a small little HSBC account that I've linked to it. Just puts in little bits of money. So if you go into the investments here, I'll show you. So I've been using this app since I think the start of December. Yeah, December 3rd, and as you can see, it's taken a total out of my bank account in little sort of bits. So it's roughly maybe 18 or £30 sort of lump sums it seems to be taking out of my account. But as you can see that I've earned £8.52 since the 3rd of December, which actually isn't that bad. I mean, it's roughly about 5%-ish, which is not too bad, better than what you'd get in a savings account. I've got it in a general investment account, not an ISA. And as you'll see here, what I do is I have the money that comes out split in half. So if they take £30 out, they'll put 15 into the rising stars and 15 into tech giants. The rising stars are your sort of emerging economies that are currently on the rise, I suppose, and then tech giants such as Apple and Facebook, etc. Like I say, it's just really simple. Take some money out in little bits, and you get a notification every time it does. So about once a week it'll take out maybe £18-30, but it depends how you have it set. So if you go on the brain, there's rules. I've got it on the automatic where it just takes money out. I've paused it just now, but you can go into the current mood. So we show you here. I've got it on shy to take out less because I had it on the default and it was taking out about 40 quid every month, which for me was just too much at that time, because 40 quid a week or every 3 days. And like I say, it's only a small account I use there, and before you know it, all the money would be gone. So I've put it down to shy, and I've paused it at the moment just purely because it's sort of Christmas time, and I wanted to know how much money I had in the account at any one time. They also do roundups, but I don't use the roundups. I use roundups on a different app that I have, which I'll speak about at a different time. But no, I've found the app quite useful myself. The only concern I had was when I first started using it, money was coming out of my account but it wasn't showing on the app. And when I tried to speak to somebody about this, I wasn't getting a reply from the email, and the phone wasn't being answered. But I think obviously when they take the money, they've got to physically go and buy the investment on your behalf. So I think that's why there was a delay. But I can say now that all the money is within the app here. So yeah, it's quite a good little app. I do like it. I've not tried to withdraw money yet, so we'll see how that goes when I need to do that. But no, from myself, I think it's quite a good wee app. But always read the reviews and seek some advice and see what you think. But if there's any other apps that you like to use, or if you've got experience of Plum, please let me know in the comments below, and be good to share with us. And when you join Plum, you can also join a big Facebook group. There's a lot of folk on the Facebook group, and you can get a lot of different questions and answers on there, which is quite good. So this is where all your messages pop up, so it's quite cool. Well, cheers for watching, and if you want any further videos, just subscribe to the channel. So yeah.